Good morning, welcome back to Aviary Adventures. It's a horrendous morning, it's horrible, it's blowing a gale, it's been raining, so we're going to Dyserth bird auction.
When we got to Dyserth bird auction, there weren't as many birds or people as normal. This is due to the new COVID restrictions in Wales. Unfortunately, they were only allowed to let 30 people in the building. Regardless, there were quite a few birds there, and we found a few birds we were interested in. There were two pairs of lovely fawn hax grass finches. There were some silver Java sparrows. There were two cocked goldfinch mules. And right at the end, someone brought in some silver Bengalese finch. They were the birds we were interested in. Also, there were many other birds, kakarikis, some parrots, diamond doves, lots of canaries and budgies. That's just to name a few. We were reluctant to spend a lot of money as we're going to Stafford in a couple of weeks. But did we come home with any birds?
So I've got two fawn hax grass finches, and for the house, not the aviary, one beautiful cock goldfinch mule, which is going to be a bird that's going to live probably in our kitchen, which will be very nice.
We set a cage up in the house for the goldfinch mule. We'll check on him later, but now is the time to put the grass finch in the aviary. One of the birds left the cage reasonably quickly. The other one really didn't. We waited quite a while, but finally it flew out. Once they were out of the cage, he got quite a lot of attention from some of the other grass finch in the aviary, almost immediately making friends. So now we have 7 grass finch in the aviary, 4 normal ones, 1 albino one, and now 2 fawn ones. I love these birds, they're great. Back to our goldfinch mule, who's settling in really well. We've called him Eddie. He's even done a little bit of singing for us. Thanks for watching. Please like and please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.